Hi gang, today I'm going to show you how to take the battery door cover off a Nikon camera. Hi, I'm Bill from CoolWildlife.com, and these Nikon Z cameras, in order to install a battery grip, you have to take the battery door cover off the camera. I will tell you that I was super intimidated and had no idea how to do it. I didn't want to break the little tabs off the battery door on my new camera. And so I called Nikon Canada and asked them how to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So hold your camera with the LCD pointed up. Open the battery door cover like so, and then hold the battery door cover in between your index finger and your thumb. Or if you prefer, you can hold it with this finger and your thumb. Couldn't resist. Now, at a 60-degree angle, okay, which is pretty much your finger in between the door panel and your thumb, you're just going to pull in a downward direction and outwards, just gently. Don't pull, just kind of a ease motion like you would press on the shutter. So we're going to pull down and we're going to pull outwards, and the battery door cover is going to come off. It's that simple. Now, to install your battery grip, all you need to do, and here's a little tip for you. Some people have asked me this as well, because you're going to lose your battery door cover if you take it off and put it in a drawer somewhere, right? So on the side of the battery grip, they've given you a panel that this little door fits into. So simply put it into place, snap it in, and you're good to go. You'll never lose it. It's always there. And now the installation is super simple. You're just going to put it in on this side to push that yellow battery tab over. Okay? Push it up into place, and then spin the dial to lock it. Okay? Until you see the green light flash, which it will, and then you're good to go. Now, turn the battery. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you one little thing that I've learned along the way. A few times I've been shooting, my screen has gone blank, and I didn't know how to turn it back on. I was going WTF, and the problem is that the little wheel, the little locking wheel, will loosen up occasionally. You just need to make sure that it's firmly in place before you shoot, and you won't have a problem. But if you find that occurs for you, first thing you should do is try to lock it down, and that'll turn your screen back on. I hope that helps. Happy shooting. I'm about to head out on the water, so whenever I change out for a longer trip, I throw the grip on, and when I want it lighter and I'm just going to be walking around, I take the grip off. It's that simple to take the battery door cover off and on, so putting your grip off and on, real simple. Have a great day. Sharing this content with you is so much fun for me. If you want to help support the channel, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, bang on the alert button, share it out, or give us a comment. It all helps, and it's much appreciated.